Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. So today we're actually going to be installing these OEM Stanley side markers on the car. I already have a template drafted out based off of like what I found on Honda Tech, and I've had that template verified by people from Europe that have a authentic OEM fender with the side marker on it. So they've done the measurements for me and this is accurate. So I'm going to be using this template and installing these. So let's just get to work. Alright guys, so this is the template that I've already drafted out. Looks like this. I've already marked it off. Left driver side, you just flip it around and it's the right passenger side. So I'm going to be using the same index card for both sides. So first things first, you're going to want to tape this area up because you're going to be cutting into it. So that's basically where the side marker is going to go. I'm going to get my Sharpie and basically just trace it out on here. But just make sure everything is lined up. Well, it's not perfectly lined up, so let's do it again. There we go. So that's traced out. Let's just stick this somewhere. So that looks pretty good. I'm just gonna cut all this out now and basically use my Dremel to cut it out. There we go, all cut out. Now to clean up the edges. I'm checking it against the template and marking it off so that I know how much more metal to grind off. So as you notice, I scuffed up this part, the Dremel slipped, but since I'm painting the car anyways, this is okay, but I think it went down to the primer or something like that. So I'll have to sand this to feather it out. So it's installed. As you can see, this looks pretty good. It looks like it's in the right spot and everything. I did slip and scuff these areas up when I was refining it to make it fit. So you have to make sure that it is exactly the same as this template. Now it's onto the passenger side. There we go, the passenger side is now done. Now it's onto the wiring. I used a couple long pieces of wire to extend the wiring from either the blinker or the corner light to where the side marker is. I wanted the wires to plug right into the side marker, so I'm using some bullet crimp connectors for somewhat of a factory plug and play. There we go. That looks pretty good. There you go, guys. It's done. This is the driver's side. As you can see, I did nick it up a little bit because I slipped on the rotary tool. And I'll show you the passenger side. And there's the passenger side. And again, I nicked it. It's okay. I'll be sanding this whole fender, both fenders down for paint and all that stuff anyways. So it'll get protected. I'll get it painted over and fixed. So I have the wire dangling right now because I'm not sure which route to go. There's only two methods. I mean, I'm not sure why some people say that this blinker, this corner light actually blinks and stays on. It doesn't. In the Canadian models, both these lights just stay on. That's it. So I only have one of two options. Either wire this to one of these corner lights and it stays on when I turn on my headlights, or I wire it to the blinker and it'll just blink when I turn my blinker on. So I'm not sure which method to go yet. I know some people manage to rig it up where it stays on and it blinks. I haven't found much info on that, but that's it. It's back to the body work now. Since I finished the side markers, it looks really good. I would say it really does look like really good. Now I can start pulling this molding off. I needed this molding on there so that I could line everything up. But the template worked fine, and it is exact location of the JDM one. So I think it looks good. But anyways, guys, thanks for watching. If you haven't already, please comment, like, and subscribe, and maybe share the video. As always, guys, I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.